welcome. When I know say we don't show again and we don't enter your TV screen every night, so we show. When I know say we don't bring their church and things them come Sunjuna. Today they very prolific and they smile because I'm happy because today I get one of my personal person. A person. But before that person, when I know say that Bobos and be this, they show with the Sunjo, the church and things, so the guys to do with babes them and Bobos them. And we done the same relationship since 2014. Yes, so we done the same plenty relationship, stroke marriages, you know. And my men them this studio, shakara.
Yes, Alpha. Girls and I want to talk about something very serious. June 28th.
Sure, we don't go hear what again. Now everything at June 28th.
So let it come and go. Stop talking about it.
Wait first. Wait first.
Moderator,
June 28th, wait first. And
Saturday,
I
Sunday,
show me that. Show me.
Why I say, now today my body is hot, my blood is hot. I feel like getting high. I just want drink. I don't know. I just feel like some days you want just drink.
They love doctor.
You get the day when you don't drink. Which one be some days you just want drink?
They drink water some days and some drink.
I beg, before I carry on, I can go for on top the matter I want to talk about today. If you know, say you don't watch one particular reality show, when they do, we say, one of our Niger guy come out, you know, it makes sense, fine boys, swagger, red lips, everything all together. I beg, we get that guy for inside bar with us today. Yes, now no other person other than Melvin.
Big brother Africa.
Alpha now, my people. Come on, a Bobos talk.
Big brother Africa.
How far now?
Why?
Which way?
Why maybe call one the composer and a better person?
I'll be better person.
I beg, baby, say we're in the bar. You can tell us, we're exposing you here today, sir.
I know they shake.
We are exposing you
I know
today.
they shake.
No shaking.
Any exposure.
But how is Dillish?
Dillish.
Yes, I wanted to ask because ever since you left the house, this is the first time we're having you in our bar like this.
Yes.
We'll go.
And on behalf of...
I don't want to hear music before this guy go talk anything. You cannot say this is for him,
Abi?
No, we'll come back to the matter.
Make we hear some more music first.
DJ Tunde!
Good say more hear music first.
What? I don't make it finish you.
Anytime when you hear suddenly, every day and night you call it. See the way the things they call it. See the way the money pile it. Suddenly, oh, every day and night you call it. See the way the things they call it. See the way the money pile it. Time no day. I do hustle for my pay. Every night and every day. Thank God it. I do thank God it. For his blessings for my way. Every night and every day.
Get it. Yeah, nice
Every
one.
time when you hear Bobos Yan.
Yes, so anytime when you hear Bobos Yan, you know, so we don't come to
Yes,
give
so.
you the things that will go make your mind switch you. Now, today, we want to talk this matter. Now, it did very bad make people they lie. Then I will start with this matter. But this one go like this. Babe, when they tell you, say, she be VV, say she never crank before for her life. Now, she married. When she come marry, where the husband contest her, he can finally find out, say she no be VV. I beg, what you guys get talk about that matter?
Before
Okay,
Shakara,
quickly.
Before you go talk, this team, he blend with.
Yes, now we
blend with waiting. Let me ask the question. Let me talk now.
You don't talk and finish now. He blend with you.
Melvin, sorry, don't mind him.
Let me ask the question.
You understand? You know, it's hard to know a girl that is a virgin, but there are some things that will revolve around
Yes.
the girl, and you begin to think, is she a virgin?
But maybe we don't know that.
Yes.
Maybe cannot tell if a girl is a virgin.
Yeah, because
Why would you say that? Sorry.
wait.
Why would you say
Are
that?
you asking me this
I
question?
take offense in that
Showman.
statement. I'm sorry.
Are you a virgin now? You're not a virgin.
Does it matter right now?
You don't have to hit on our guests like that.
Yes.
I go do things here. I go do things.
It's okay.
I go do things.
Calm down.
I go do some things.
Melvin, calm down.
It's okay.
Calm down.
Maybe okay.
Now,
you came out from that house,
you know,
and
Shakara.
Excuse me, Melvin. Listen, we're talking about a virgin and things revolving around virgin. Now, Now, we the guys in Nigeria, we're looking up to you. You know, in the bar we are bad guys. You know, when we see our friend with a girl, all we wish him is to go guy, crank that babe.
Who will tell me?
It's very sexy, beautiful, endowed, and eventually became the winner of the game. Was very close to you, was serving you. That's
Taking
very
care of him,
everything.
you know.
But you did not, and most of us guys saw it as
We
a
are angry.
disappointment. We were angry with
Bobos
you.
are angry.
Is it that she was a virgin, or what really happened? Why didn't you crank?
Chineke.
Every time we hear the banger.
Maybe. I don't know if they've asked you this question anyway before since you came out of the house. But in this bar, that is what we want to know. We don't want to know your experience,
really, you know.
how you enjoy the house, and no.
Okay.
Why didn't you
Hey, no need to
crank?
answer.
Dillish.
You no cry. Okay, talk about the topic.
No, wait.
This
You
is why
answer.
this is why I was brought to
Yes,
this studio
answer.
today.
Why?
You drink.
Why
No,
did
this one
you?
was
Why?
supposed to drink.
Yeah, to
We
drink.
brought
You were
you
brought
to
to
drink in the
and
bar.
gist.
And gist.
It's
Gist with your
Is it that
guys.
you are
This one
you
not
are
here
born
being
again?
formal.
Is it that you are born again Christian?
again.
Oya,
Or your
Mona,
mom
wait.
asked you not to?
Oya, Mona, wait.
He's
Oya,
going to talk.
Mona, allow Melvin talk, I beg. Melvin, Kokun Nambo.
So, what exactly is your question, Mr. Shakara?
Yes. Why didn't you crank Dillish? A simple question.
Because I did not want to.
Okay, but she was close to you as a man. Isn't it you have?
It doesn't mean anything.
Even when she lie on you and
You no
carry
get-
you and you
get-
carry
you-
her.
It's fine, it's fine.
Wait, you be no get.
Excuse me, one at a time. One more at a time. One more at a time. First one here.
First, we'll get it. You don't just want to.
Okay,
Yes.
Shakara, he don't answer you.
Exactly.
What will leave him? He doesn't want to.
Are you okay,
I beg,
Nana?
Melvin, no enter the matter what I talk about.
I beg, my
Now,
brother.
when you
We'll
meet
come
babe
back
for
to
the
this
very
matter.
first time, you understand? You know, say the babe they tell you say she be Vivi, she never crank before, all those kind of things. Then you can't give her that full respect all to the time when I date. Finally, marry her. The day when I can't crank, you can't find her say she no be Vivi. I beg, how you go feel and what you go really do?
She be winch. She be Chris.
If you can't find out.
Yes, she be winch. Why she go they lie me that kind of lie, nonsense lie? Anyway, I cannot fall victim for this kind of nonsense because
waiting, no talk with her. No, if you
Yeah,
talk anything,
talk
I go
with-
best with
Why
you.
wait now?
Waiting, want talk now.
Who be
I
this
cannot
guy?
fall
Wait.
victim.
I hope this
Cannot
guy.
fall
No, it's
victim.
because what happened in the house when you were in the house. That's why we don't trust you like
Say, I
you
cannot
would
fall.
do.
I cannot fall
Or you
victim.
would do.
Wait, victim.
Sorry, don't
I
go.
think
don't
I'll
go.
take my leave.
Oh,
right
sorry.
now.
No, calm down.
Who the beggar? Who the beggar said?
Forget these two people.
Because
Just
from what
follow me,
happened in
Jesus.
the house, you can fall victim. You didn't care
Don't
because
be
you
lying,
don't want
oh.
to.
This
You
thing,
didn't
this thing
answer.
no boy down to
Answer.
only Melvin. It boy down to many guys
Yeah.
where women don't carry their head lie give.
Yeah.
Tell them say, look, I'm a virgin.
And that's why we brought you as a guest to this show. Because
Yes.
we wanted a true life experience.
Yes.
Somebody that...
If I enter you, Shakara, now
If you
as I
enter
was
in,
saying,
hello,
Yes.
hello,
Shut up! Let me hear Melvin talk. I'm cool.
who be this guy waiting here now? I dey come out to.
If I these people talk to
We dey talk something. You have to better behind. You have the question.
Yes.
I say I cannot fall victim to such. Let me tell you why. Because as me dey so, before I marry girl, I go enter the place.
Two-Face.
I will enter.
Enter the
But what if
place.
it's against
Let me
your...
finish
what
my-
if
let me
it's
finish
against
now.
your religion?
So you the girl don't want me to enter
No,
go.
wait. What if it's against your religion to
What
enter
if,
before marriage?
for instance,
Oga,
the
it not
girl...
concern you.
Okay, what if the girl they try let you feel say no, it's against my religion, things like that, but you love the babe.
You're not concern me.
No, but Melvin.
Oh, God, let me answer my question.
No,
What you concern you
but
for
I don't
this
even
matter
support you.
I say I go enter the place before I marry am.
No, but you know, say you get some.
So she not feeling like give me.
You get some girls. You get some girls where you go down look. You love these girls so much that anything where the girl talk, you go agree because you know they say she don't want crank you before marriage. You understand?
Showman, I not be you, Not be all of us the mumu, not be all men the mumu. Now if you mumu, that kind of mumu. Not be all girls they say anything
So
they
you
tell
come
you.
this bar
Make I
now
talk
to
finish
go
now.
insult me now.
Oh,
You
nah,
understand?
Before maybe
See.
quick notice your woman. That's a very...
You
Very rare.
You say
Coming from someone that failed
he
us.
say some girls feel anything they say you do, you go do. Which can get me down? Anything say for
No,
what?
there are some
May I
girls
talk
that
you?
some
See,
girls they will go tell you.
And
Say, okay, what do you want to talk?
let me bring out a very strong point in this discussion. Now, the sexual life of a man and a woman, it's a very vital point in any relationship and marriage. Okay, sorry. Now, Bobos talk with this, so not best. Okay, now that thing where man and woman they do on top bed, cranking. Now what that? Now we don't like play, but now very vital points for marriage and relationship.
Okay.
Because of that thing now, women they go outside, go do anyhow. Because of that same thing, men they go outside, go do anyhow. So for me, person where I go settle down with, me and Nam, make I talk finish on that.
Sorry.
Me and Nam gas get chemistry for cranking.
Okay.
We gas get physics biology for cranking. You know, there has to be that.
Geographical map for cranking.
Exactly.
Oh, make we enter street.
Exactly.
Go for street. I beg. When we come back,
They can make mouths.
We dey come back, not go anywhere.